Y'all ever heard the old country saying that smoke follows the good looking? The smoke's chasing me all over the place. It's just saying something like that anyway. Well, good evening, Campfire crew. It's Tony and Stella. Stella, come over here. Come over here and let everybody see your summer haircut. Tony and Stella with her brand new summer haircut. Checking in from the fish camp. So what's the fish camp? The fish camp is a small place down on Lake that Catherine and I purchased to give us something to do besides work all the time on the farm. Farm's fun. We have a good time down there, a lot of responsibility, but we need a break from all the work. We don't do nothing but work, and we don't want to fall back in to that same scenario that we was in prior to starting a YouTube channel. So we're trying to make sure that we do things and we have places to go and some fun things that we can do on the lake. All right, so I'm going to give y'all a tour of everything that's out here just to let you see how beautiful this place is that we have recently acquired. First of all, we got to get Catherine something cooked for supper. So let's go ahead and get this grill fired up, and we're going to cook some Conecuh dogs for supper. So let's get this thing fired up, and then I'm going to give y'all a tour. We got it on the old hibachi. I love that little thing. Okay, so these couple of 3 boat houses right here are our neighbors. If you pan on around, you can see there is a channel that comes in right here and goes this way. So they're out here. It's a real big slough that feeds out into the main channel. Up here, we have at least 2 boat slips. One's for a pontoon boat and the other is for like a fishing boat. At one point in time, it had a roof on it and they said a storm tore it down, but we can fix all that. It's got a little boat house. So let's walk around this side. It has a very big pier on the front of it that comes in from the boathouse. And it has a 3rd boat slip. So the lot has 3 altogether. It has one right there, one right here for a pontoon boat, and it has the 3rd boat slip right here for a smaller boat. And I'm sure this will be the one that we use regularly because it has the long pier that runs down this way and it'd be easy to get on and off the boat. Also, it has a pretty good sized pier out here that goes up. This big peninsula that comes down through here is part of the lot that Catherine and I got. The peninsula goes all the way out to the end, and right out here there's a flagpole. So we're going to put us a flag up. And also the creek run that comes through runs around the end of the peninsula, and it feeds into this very large lagoon that's back here in the back. And it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have a good time. Also, there's a porch swing with this lot. And there is a big smoker that comes with this lot. So what Catherine and I purchased was, hey girl,
Hey.
was a smaller mobile home on a river lot. And this thing has a very big screened in porch on the back. That porch is, oh, I don't know, at least probably 12 by 16 or 12 by 20 or something like that. It has a carport. You can see where the truck is, and I have the grill up under the carport, which is awesome. And show y'all this while I'm thinking about it. Do y'all see that tree right there in front of the truck? That's a fig tree. Look how big that thing is, and it's full of figs. So that's gonna be pretty nice. All right, want to make sure everybody has a chance to see what we have going on. This place is beautiful. So when we bought the place, it was in dire need of some work and it needed some help. So we've had some folks over here for the last week, and we hadn't had it for like a week and a half, but we've had some folks over here. They have put us in new floors, and it's also put in new flooring. Stella, get out from over there. Which is, it's super nice. So it's gonna be a whole lot cleaner under your feet, and just a lot cleaner in general when you replace flooring. And I don't mean just the floor tiles. I mean, we replaced the plywood down under the bottom of it to get this thing back up to where it can be used. So that's about it. I wanted to show you guys what we got, and this reason I hadn't been making any videos. I've been working all week and had these folks up here working, and I've been running back and forth getting material and things up for them, but we wanted to share that with you. And Stella is over here on the pier. Let me show you Stella. She loves the pier. Y'all ever heard the old country saying that smoke follows the good looking? The smoke's chasing me all over the place. They're saying something like that anyway. Catherine, you ever heard that saying?
What's that?
Smoke follows the good looking?
Yeah, the smoke's coming over here.
Smoking hot, Catherine, right there. Hey Greg, how you like that fine little cooker, buddy? What do you think about it, girl? Is this something you could learn to live with?
Well, it's a nice resting spot.
Can y'all guys see how that pier's lit up so well? It's beautiful. It's the lagoon. Beautiful. We practically have water on 3 sides of us. We're going to talk about that big smoker in the next video. Big sunroom and a big carport. Let's go check the connection. They're cooking now. They got some grease running out of them. Oh, I just saw something. Let me show y'all something. That big lake home across the river. It's a long way from here, but that thing is lit up. That is beautiful. We still got a little cleaning up to do and straightening up, but we got time. So again, I just wanted to welcome everybody to the fish camp. We are going to do a lot of fishing. We're bringing the boat down the next time that we come, now that we've got everything reasonably clean in the house. And we're gonna bring the boat down, get the boat in the water, and we're gonna start catfishing and start bass fishing and doing a whole bunch of catfishing. So all the videos I made about building trot lines and building vertical trot lines, we're gonna put those to the test and just see how much fun that is. Stella's right over here. Listen, as always, life's an adventure. Don't get caught sitting at home. You ought to be down here on the lake with me and Stella and old smoking hot Catherine and whoever them dudes are.